Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and I make London life and fashion, slow fashion content, and I'm really kind of focused on the moment and making content about like not so much money saving, but like lifestyle money videos when living in London, because obviously the cost of living is mental at the moment. London renting is really expensive, and every little helps when it comes. I really wish it was the Tesco video and that was like a funny pun. Every little helps when it comes to cost saving at the moment. I made a whole video about budgeting which went live at the beginning of this week, so if you want to check that out, it's kind of what I spend in a month living in London, or what I'm predicting I'll spend in a month of living in London. And then I am tracking all my spending for the month of August, and at the end of August I'll be doing a roundup on if I hit my like budget tracking basically. In that video I upped my food budget to £18 a week, which is split between myself and my partner obviously, so we pay £18 each. Around a week for our food shop. That's what I budgeted anyway, and I kind of want to see if I can stick to it. We're quite fortunate that we have a lot of family that live near us, so we like, this is 2 dinners this week, but we will go over to theirs like a few times a week and hang out with them and occasionally get dinner. So that is the case twice this week. It's my mum's birthday on Thursday, so I'm going to hers for dinner one day, and we're going to Pete's, my boyfriend's family, for dinner on Tuesday as well. So I guess take that into consideration when you see how much food we've bought. I also work from home, Pete doesn't, so we both like make lunches at home, and they're just quite different. So yeah, I want to show you everything that I picked up and tell you how much I spent in this haul. I am also going to be making similar videos to this throughout the month, and if they are popular then I'll just keep going with them. So if you are enjoying this video, please smash a like on it. Let me know what you think of what we bought, and remember to subscribe to the channel. I upload videos religiously every Monday at 6 PM, and then I've got a lot of bonus videos coming this month because it's one of my August goals to upload twice a month. So yeah, let me show you what I got. So it's a lot of veg this week. We picked up 2 kind of main dinners. So tonight I'm gonna be cooking carbonara. So I've got a 2-pack of diced pancetta. I'd probably only use one of these for a carbonara, so the second one can just be, bearing in mind the date, what's the date on this? Oh yeah, 1st of September. So the second one can just be used for next time we ever wanna cook a carbonara again. So I think this was about, oh, I've actually got the receipt, I could actually check for you. It was, the pancetta was, why can't I find it? Oh, that was £2.09 for this. So what, £1, 4.5 pence, whatever, for each meal for the meat for the meal, which is just brilliant. I also obviously got the, it's not Parmesan, but it's as close as and kind of works for carbonara to go with that, and I think that was quite expensive. That was why can't I find any? Oh, this is not going to be fun if I'm trying to look through all of this. I should probably just guess really. That was £2.09 as well. Wait, what? Have I just looked at the wrong thing? No, they were both just £2.09. Love that. So yeah, that's one meal, and obviously I've got the eggs as well. Eggs, I don't know, like £1 or something, aren't they? Yeah, £1.29. I got a pack of large eggs as well, but I'll probably use 2 for the meal. And then we've got, we need it for the next meal I'm doing, which is nasi goreng, which is going to be our other dinner. So I picked up a 3-pack of chicken breast, because then we can use 2 for the nasi goreng and have 1 extra for another meal during the week, which I guess will just be chicken and veg and rice, probably nice and sort of simple and easy. So yeah, 3 chicken breasts, which was like, I think that was like £4.19 for these. I'd imagine they were the most expensive thing I bought for sure. yeah, £4.15 for those. So that's the next meal. I also bought some rice to go with that meal, which was about £1. I feel like I'm going to double count things if I keep doing it this way. Also bought some frozen peas, they're like 60p. And then that's kind of like, I'd say like the most expensive bits that we bought. I then got stuff for, this is Pete, what Pete has for lunch. He has like the slices of the Edam, and then he has the roast chicken as well. This is the family pack, but he like works out a lot, so he eats quite a lot of that sort of thing. That'll probably be done by the end of the week, even though it's only 2 of us. So yeah, that's Pete's lunches. And then this is a little bit from Waitrose, but I'll show you that last. And then like fruit and veg is obviously quite a big part of like our meals and how we eat. So for lunches, I'm making like this bulgur wheat salad thing that I want to, I'm gonna make that. So I'm gonna make like bulgur wheat salad with like olives and hummus. And then I'm gonna put cucumber in it. This was like 60p. And I've got some tomatoes and some like peppers and some other bits and bobs. What have I got? I've got carrots, tomatoes, peppers, left from last week. So I'm gonna like roast all of those and put it into like a bulgur wheat salad that I'll probably just eat every day. In terms of breakfasts, we have the bananas, because we both have a banana for breakfast like every day. I either make it into a smoothie or overnight oats. I'm overnight oating, but like kind of over here at the moment. I'm gonna eat that when we're done. So this will probably run out. I might need to buy some more bananas. But we've also got a pack of apples for snacks. Limes were needed for one of our recipes that we're doing this week, but you could only buy a pack of 5, so we now have 5 limes, but I mean that was only 40p or something anyway. So yeah, onions, because again needed for most recipes because they're delicious. Got 3 of those, which again really cheap. Some cinnamon, because Pete wanted it to put in his overnight oats that he does. He wanted cinnamon for it, so just picked up this. This is obviously not an everyday thing, it will last for ages. And then for the nasi garam, we also have some pat choy, and we picked up some baby spinach as well. Pete puts that in his sandwiches, and I'll probably also put that into my bulgur wheat salad that I'm making. I'm just gonna make it into like a bulk kind of portion of it, so I can just have it every day for lunch. And yeah, in terms of milk, I did not know that Lidl stocked Oatly, which I'm so here for. So I picked up an Oatly, and it was like £1.10 as well, so like really cheap for Oatly. It's not the one I would normally go for. I normally go for like the light version, but that's okay. It was in there. So and I want oat milk again, because I've been drinking almond at the moment, and it just doesn't work for teas and coffees in my opinion. It just, I don't like it as much. I then also got Pete's normal milk, just like the super skimmed. I don't know what you'd call this, the red milk. What is the red milk? Skimmed? Oh yeah, because it's skimmed, skimmed whole. This is skimmed milk. You know that, I don't know why I'm telling you. And that is actually everything we picked up from Lidl. So that all came to, yeah, £25, £25.79 if that ever focuses. Yeah, £25. Oh, that's not my bank details, is it? No. Go like that just in case. £25.79 for all of that. And then I picked up a tiny bit of stuff in Waitrose as well, because Pete's really like picky about what bread he has. So we've got this like, I don't know what this even is, like why it's special, but he really likes it. Jackson's multi-grain bread. That is £1.99. So like the Waitrose shop is significantly more expensive. I wanted kefir, which again you can't get in Lidl, and this was on offer of £1.50. Kefir is just like a natural, like a cultivated yogurt. It's just like a different kind of yogurt, but it's basically knocked my bloatedness completely. I think this stuff is amazing. I basically eat this and chia seeds and I'm just not bloated, so it does the job for me. And then Pete always wants the like big thing of Greek yogurt. Again, he will probably go through this in a week. The fat-free Greek yogurt, and it's actually only £2, so it's not actually too bad for Waitrose, but the Waitrose shop came to £5, considering all this itself came to 25, and those 3 things came to 5. It is a big difference in terms of like where you shop, and I guess what you're buying as well, because it's like posh branded stuff, like rather than just, well, that's Waitrose own, but rather than like more kind of own brandy bits. So yeah, if you want to keep seeing kind of what I buy in our food shops, then let me know. I'm also going to post them over on TikTok as well and see how that goes, because I think it will be interesting. I also want to do kind of like what I spend in a day living in London kind of videos, because I work from home, there's days when I don't spend anything because I don't have to go anywhere. Everything I've bought is in the house, everything I need is in the house. So yeah, there are days where I don't spend anything, so it is, I guess, different. It's different for everybody depending on your lifestyle. But yeah, that is our food shop. That is what we are going to be eating this week. If you want to know like what all the meals I kind of make out of that food shop, because realistically that's 5 lunches for 2 people and probably 2.5 dinners as well for 25 quid, which is actually really good value. I think because we eat a lot of fruit and veg, it does really reduce the price. We've obviously got 2 meats, but still, meat's the most expensive bit of a meal a lot of the time. And when I was cooking purely for myself before I moved in with Peter, I didn't really eat meat, so my food shop could be probably about £9 a week without meats, because I eat a lot of like meat substitutes or mushrooms and that sort of thing to kind of bulk it up and make it feel a bit meaty. But yeah, that's the food shop. If you enjoyed the video, guys, like I said at the beginning, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.